A scale's load cells bear the brunt of the work, so when a load cell fails, it's critical to get back up and weighing as soon as possible. B-TEK's patented CPDM digital load cells can be replaced and calibrated in minutes, not days, keeping your scale operational with minimal disruption. When a load cell fails, you are immediately alerted by the indicator, with email, and through the Nexia application. Load cell replacement is simple and direct. Raise the scale. Remove the defective load cell. Disconnect the data and ground wires. Install the new load cell. The process of replacing a load cell has been designed to be fast and easy, capable of being done in-house in a matter of minutes. Once the load cell has been replaced, you can power on the indicator to send the existing calibration data from the indicator to the new load cell. Start by pressing and holding the B-TEK logo until it turns red. Press 2835 to enter the application menu. Scroll through the menu and select Metro, then select Scale Configuration. Select your scale, then press Synchronize. Select the option from Scale to Cells. Select Yes when prompted. Press OK to confirm. Once you've exited out of the menu, your new load cell will be calibrated and ready for use. Keeping a spare load cell on hand can mean the difference between weighing trucks and waiting for service. CPDM digital load cells are exclusively offered on B-TEK truck scales. Learn more at btek.com.